Viewers, on Friday, the entire nation was left stunned as the Congress party chose to stage a dramatic shirtless protest against the Prime Minister at the venue of the AI Impact Summit. Foreign delegates and world leaders were present inside the Bharat Mandapam when the Youth Congress chose to take off their shirts and stage a protest. And now the Prime Minister has called out the Congress party for this protest. In his fiery speech in Meerut, the Prime Minister went all guns blazing against the Congress party for their shirtless protest. He said that this protest or display of Nangi Rajniti, as he called it, is a show of ideological bankruptcy and the Congress's desperation to malign India on the global stage in their bid to discredit the Prime Minister. In fact, the Prime Minister also highlighted how the Congress has now become a burden to the entire nation.
लेकिन कांग्रेस और इसके इकोसिस्टम ने क्या किया? साथियों, कांग्रेस ने भारत के एक वैश्विक आयोजन को अपनी गंदी और नंगी राजनीति का अखाड़ा बना दिया। समारोह स्थल पर विदेशी अतिथियों के सामने कांग्रेस के नेता कपड़े उतारकर पहुंच गए। मैं कांग्रेस वालों को पूछता हूं, देश तो जानता है आप पहले से ही नंगे हो, फिर कपड़े उतारने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी?
All right, we are breaking updates now coming in after the Prime Minister blasted the Congress party. The Congress party being called out for this protest. We have more reactions now coming in. The Congress party has now reacted to this. In fact, Margaret Alva, senior Congress leader, veteran, has said that there should be some discipline, going on to say that at international events, dignity is paramount and that there should be a sense of responsibility. Listen in. One of the veteran leaders of the Congress party, Margaret Alva, now speaking up, going on to say that there should be a sense of responsibility. And Pragya, we've seen, the Prime Minister call out this protest of the Congress party. Multiple allies now coming out. Even veterans from within the party have said that this is unacceptable. And yet we have the Congress leaders of the Congress party refusing to accept that this protest has disgraced India.
Absolutely, and in fact, look at the reactions that have come from parties and allies of Congress like TMC. They all believe that this was anti-national activity and this was to also insult India. In fact, the kind of reaction that we had seen across all political party lines, that also speaks volumes about what they think about the politics of Congress. And in fact, Prime Minister made it very clear in his speech in Meerut that it was not a BJP event and no BJP leader even in fact was present at that moment at that particular spot. So why this shirtless protest by Congress, especially at a time where a foreign guest and foreign dignitaries were present at such an international summit that would have made India proud, and that has in fact made India proud. So the Prime Minister, what he's asking Congress is that has Congress become so ideologically bankrupt, impoverished, that it has to go such a low standard in terms of politics that it has to disrupt an international event in which it was about the nation and also the nation's stature on the world stage. All of this politics aside, it also has rather larger implication for Congress now, with its allies also not agreeing with the kind of politics Congress does. And in fact, this is the reason why Congress should also be, a bit worried about it, rather than defending and coming out bravely supporting what it did in the AI summit. Having said that, there are many Congress senior leaders also, they are not speaking out, but internally the discussion within the Congress also is that this was not a right step. Neither of the senior leaders were even consulted on on taking such a step, and they would never have accepted what Youth Congress did at the AI summit. So majorly what everyone is saying that you can have your own domestic politics,
Okay.
but not at a space at a time where it is an international event, and a lot of effort has gone in ensuring that India takes a lead in
Yes.
AI, which is the future of
Yes.
progress of development. So not understanding the implication of it, Congress did something which is against the nation in in what Prime Minister says is the lowest of the behavior that has been seen by the Congress workers.
Okay, absolutely. In fact, there are many from the BJP who have also now come out and have said that the veteran leaders of the Congress party are showing the mirror to the Congress and yet no lessons are learned. In fact, the BJP has cited Margaret Alva's criticism, going on to say that despite this, the Congress party has not learned the mistake that it has made. Listen into the BJP's reaction.
Not just Indie Alliance partners, but now even the Indie Alliance Vice President candidate, Margaret Alva, has said that at international events like AI Summit, there should be dignity, discipline, and responsibility. Even she is calling out the shirtless, characterless, thoughtless, brainless protest of Congress Party. But Rahul Gandhi and his Lashkar-e-Rahul continue to hail it as some great act. This was actually not an act of BJP Virod, but of Desh Virod. In BJP Virod, constantly Rahul Gandhi berates the Indian economy, berates the achievement of our armed forces, berates the achievement of 140 crore Indians, whether it's UPI or whether it's the AI summit. It shows that Rahul Gandhi has now, after the shirtless protest, topless protest, become allyless, and very soon he'll become voterless. Not even the Indie Alliance senior members or even old veterans of Congress party are willing to support this kind of Desh Virodi anti-India protest.
Now, we need to wait and watch whether after this advice from a veteran Congress leader, there will be a change in the Congress party stance on it or not. With that, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back with lots more. Do stay with us.